Consequence.
Consequence mean effect, outcome, repercussion, result.
Opposite meanings are origin, start, beginning, incipient.
Consent.
Consent mean agree, permit, exceed, assent.
Opposite meanings are object, disagree, dissent, differ.
Conscious.
Conscious mean aware, apprised, knowledge, informed.
Opposite meanings are unaware, ignorant, unfeeling, faint.
Concede.
Concede mean yield, assent, permit, sanction.
Opposite meanings are deny, reject, dissent, disallow.
Comprise.
Comprise mean include, contain, consist, compose.
Opposite meanings are reject, lack, exclude, accept.
Compassion.
Compassion mean kindness, sympathy, clemency, commiseration.
Opposite meanings are cruelty, barbarity, persecution, apathy.
Concur.
Concur mean approve, agree, consent, endorse.
Opposite meanings are differ, disagree, dissent, oppose.
Commodious.
Commodious mean convenient, suitable, roomy, comfortable.
Opposite meanings are inconvenient, unsuitable, uncomfortable, confined.
Collision.
Collision mean encounter, clash, conflict, dissenting.
Opposite meanings are agreement, harmony, compatible, union.
Cherish.
Cherish mean nurture, treasure, foster, encourage.
Opposite meanings are abandon, forsake, renounce, discard.
Chastise.
Chastise mean punish, admonish, scold, reprove.
Opposite meanings are cheer, comfort, encourage, stimulate.
Chaste.
Chaste mean virtuous, pure, honorable, immaculate.
Opposite meanings are defined, licentious, sullied, lustful.
Cessation.
Cessation mean intermission, pause, discontinuity, hindrance.
Opposite meanings are continuity, perpetuation, unceasing, prolongation.
Catastrophe.
Catastrophe mean disaster, calamity, misfortune, mishap.
Opposite meanings are prosperity, blessing, restoration, resurgence.
Caricature.
Caricature mean exaggeration, imitation, ridicule, misrepresentation.
Opposite meanings are travesty, parody, exactness, precision.
Caress.
Caress mean fondle, embrace, hug, snuggle.
Opposite meanings are strike, repulse, spurn, displease.
Captivity.
Captivity mean imprisonment, confinement, apprehend, restrain.
Opposite meanings are freedom, liberty, liberation, release.
Captivate.
Captivate mean charm, fascinate, enchant, lure.
Opposite meanings are disillusion, offend, scorn, despise.
Captious.
Captious mean irritate, fretful, critical, carping.
Opposite meanings are appreciative, considerate, laudatory, thoughtful.
Capable.
Capable mean competent, suitable, qualified, able.
Opposite meanings are incompetent, inefficient, imbecile, inept.